Today I'm sharing my favorite lentil taco recipe. First I start by peeling garlic. I use this cool gadget that you just roll it a couple times and the peel just comes right off. It comes with this garlic chopper that chops the garlic and it makes your life so much easier. I cut the garlic cloves in half, but you don't have to. Once you're done, you have perfectly chopped garlic. I like to make extra and leave it in the fridge. So now we're going to take the onion and cut off the ends. I like to get the onion into manageable pieces to be able to put it into this chopper. I also like to remove the outer layer of the onion before I chop it. Now we're going to assemble the food chopper. It also comes with a larger blade that makes larger pieces. I love this chopper, it makes everything so much faster. I chop onions, carrots, peppers, celery, it does it all. Now we're going to start the Instant Pot and I'm going to put it on to saute mode. The temperature is on high. It says for 20 minutes, but it's just as long as you need it. Once it's hot, I'm going to add my olive oil and saute my onions until they're brown. It takes about 5 minutes. You want to stir occasionally and make sure that it's evenly distributed. Once it's sizzling like this, it takes about 5 minutes from now. Once your onions are lightly browned, press cancel on the Instant Pot. Then you'll add your garlic for about 30 seconds. Now you're going to add all the rest of your ingredients and it doesn't matter which order it goes. Once everything is in, then give it a little stir. Make sure that the lentils are fully submerged and that everything is evenly distributed. I usually like to add red peppers, but all I had was a tomato. Now we're going to close the lid and set to pressure cook for 5 minutes on high pressure. Then let naturally release for 10 minutes. Just make sure to press the release button if there's any pressure left. Put your lid on the side and stir it up and kind of loosen everything up. Now it's ready to serve. I use a cast iron skillet to warm up my tortillas. I set the temperature on medium-low. Once I cook one side, I flip it to the other side and then I add a little bit of cheese to melt. I turn off the heat and cover it with a lid for a few minutes. I transfer it to a plate and then I add my lentils. Now add any toppings you like. I like jalapeno. You can also add tomatoes or cilantro. I also add a little bit of tapatio, which is really, really good. If you like it hot, that is. Whatever I have left over, I put in a glass container and save it for leftovers. And sometimes I eat the lentils without the tortilla, just the cheese. And there you have it. Lentil tacos in under 15 minutes and so delicious.